guys, and welcome to Daily Predictions. We are going to talk about how energy of 5th of October is going to be for you, and I am hopeful that from October you've would have started seeing the changes in your life, and I hope that month of October actually brings us or takes us towards awakening. So the cards are very beautiful. The first card that I have is Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is a card of sharing. It's a card of money. It's a card of abundance. It's a card of what you deserve coming to you. It's a card of you getting help that you need and you helping others who need help. If you see, there is a king here. He's wearing a crown and he's giving food to this person here. He's given water to this person here, and he has something else here where there is a squirrel also who's eating something. So Six of Pentacles is a card which talks about you getting the gain that you deserve, you getting the help that you deserve, you getting the support or money that you deserve. And at the same time, this card says that whatever you have is exactly what you deserve, and that is why you need to be satisfied with what you have. And at the same time, when you're helping others, when you're supporting others, when you're giving or doing something for others, do exactly as much as it is needed for the help and for the support. So weigh the things and do what is right, weigh the things and do what is just, weigh the things and do what only needs to be done. And similarly, accept that whatever is in your life, that is exactly what you deserve, that is exactly what you should have in your life. This is the card which says that there is a possibility of some kind of gain, some kind of money, some kind of help, some kind of support coming into your life, and you might be needed to give some other people some kind of help and support. This is also a card in typical Rider-Waite. You will see weighing scales in this card. So this is a card that also talks about justice, and the next card we have is as is justice. So if you see this card, there is this person who's lost her hand. So if you see her hand, you can only see the bones. She's lost all the flesh on her hands, and she's holding a fruit, and here she's holding weighing scales. There is a wheel on her head, and if you see the pillars, there is this one person here who is all in peace. He's with his thing he's holding on, but he's with that and he's moving in peace, and the other person has a sword in his hands. Now the card basically says that for justice, you have to have both the things balanced. So you have to fight for justice, but you have to be peaceful as well. You have to be into your own inner self and soul awakening, and you have to be out there fighting. So there are skulls here. So if you see, these two different pillars show the black and the white, different sides of life. And it also says that when you only balance both the sides of the life is when justice happens. So definitely you're going to get some fruits. You're going to get something that is going to help you get justice, that is going to help you understand that whatever you've been doing has been helping, has been working out for you. And yes, it is going to be very important for this wheel to kind of change, for this wheel to kind of rotate. It is going to be very important that both the sides are actually balanced, both the sides are actually there, and then the justice will happen. So you might experience something in your life which you've been waiting for to happen, which you've been worrying about to happen, which you've been fighting for to happen, and finally you receive something. It could be a legal case, it could be a legal win, or it could be otherwise, but finally you are getting something which you deserve, and finally you're getting something that was part of your journey, that was needed and that was meant to come to you. Now the next card that I have is Page of Wands, and if you see, this page is actually beautifully, wonderfully, with all the attention, listening to these three words chirping here. Now the birds are actually God's messengers. They are actually divine messengers. But when this person is listening to these birds, his turban, if you see here, is completely properly settled in his belt, and this means that you can listen to anything that is coming your way, because you're fighting for something. You're fighting in your life to get what you deserve, in your life to get what is meant to be yours. But at the same time, when you listen to other people, when you listen to other things, when you listen to other messages that are coming your way, how you weigh them is very important to make use of your wisdom. So ensure that your wisdom is completely there, your wisdom is completely present, and you're not getting impacted by whatever is happening around you, but you are actually listening to everything and deciding with your own wisdom. So that's the message, which is very straight. Observing and you're using your wisdom is going to be very, very important on 5th of October. The next card that I have is Ten of Swords, and Ten of Swords, if you see, there is a king who's fallen away. There are swords on his back. There are two wolves here, but his grip is getting tighter on the sword that is in his hand. So he's all ready to get up. Tens are usually completions and new beginnings. Ten of sword is after a lot of pain, a lot of trouble. There is a new beginning, there is a new start, and this king is ready to rise. This king is ready to get up. So any situation in your life where you thought that this is the end, where you thought that nothing can happen, where you thought that you're not going to get the help, justice is not going to happen, nobody is going to listen to you, things are not going to work, the change that is going to happen and things are going to work there. So definitely something that you thought is a loss is going to turn out into a gain. Now one beautiful thing about this cards is there is 11, that is justice. This is also 11, which is page of wands. This is again 11. So this is 11, this is 11, this is 6. 6 plus 2 plus 2, 4. It makes us 10, and this is also 10. And we had been seeing the energy of 10s. Now we are seeing the energy of 10 and 11, which is even more beautiful. Now these cards that I used here are Spellcaster Tarot. The card I have is Ram, Perseverance, and it says you have many gifts. No problem can withstand the power of your mind. With patience, you can reach your mountain top. Never give up, and good luck will follow. And if you think about rams, they can get to any difficult mountain, any edges, and they don't fall. They are very, very the perseverance is very good, the strength is very good, and they know where to step and how to step. And that is why just go with the flow and keep moving forward. This perseverance is going to help you. Everything is going to work out for you automatically. The next card that I have is Reframe. This is from Divine Abundance cards, and this says this is happening for you, this is happening for me, not to me. And this is one thing that we have to understand. Whatever the universe is doing, whatever gifts that are coming our way, whatever transformation is happening, that is happening for us. It is not happening to us. And when we bring in that difference, then the pain, the emotions, everything that is attached to it kind of moves away. And when they move away, that is when you are able to transform. So think that whatever is happening, it is happening for you, and it is not happening to you. And when you bring in that difference, that's when you use the wisdom while you listen to everything else. The next card that I have is from Star Seed, and it says double mission. Lightworker Star Seed, serve the world by being you. And this card says basically that whoever is listening to this video, you are watching this video, you are on the double mission. You are on the mission of awakening yourself, and then you are on the mission to awaken the world. And only when you understand that this is happening for you to bring in a change, you understand you have the perseverance, you understand that you have the ability, you understand that you have the wisdom, you're ready to get out of any kind of issue and restart, re-begin. You are ready to sacrifice for justice. You know what is happening is something that you deserve, and whatever other people need, you will be able to weigh well and do it for them. That is when the world is going to change, and that is your responsibility, that is your duty. I'm going to take out one extra message that I always do, and let's see what is the message for 5th of October. The first card is 5 of Michael, and this says this situation doesn't serve you. Release your attachment to the outcome. Consider taking more uplifting approach. The second card is 5 of Gabriel. Again, this 5 plus 5 makes it 10, and it says a challenge you can resolve. Withdraw from the drama of others. Have patience with yourself and those around you. And third is Queen of Raphael, which is Queen of Cups, and it says follow your heart, a love of home and family, trustworthy psychic information. So these three cards are again giving you the message where the cards are saying that any situation that doesn't serve you, any situation that is not good enough, any situation where you're just banging your head on the wrong wall, move away from that situation, because there is nothing that you cannot solve. There is nothing that cannot be resolved. Everything can be resolved, and only when you listen to your intuition, you listen to your inner wisdom, that is when you will be able to complete this mission where you are able to get out of energy of this fives. And this is again beautiful because Queen is number 13, which is 4, and the 5 plus 5 is 10, which makes it 5 again. And that is why the energy is such where there is going to be decision making, there is going to be perseverance needed, there is going to be wisdom needed. And when you don't indulge into drama, when you believe in that wisdom, when you believe in your intuition, that is when you are going to see those changes happening. So I hope that you are able to see those changes. I hope that you are able to bring those changes, and thank you so much. Your feedback is always very important, so do give the feedback. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.